Hello guys, welcome to the HTML listing tutorials. Thank
Hello.
Okay. Hello? Yes, yes. My nurse keep on disconnecting again and again. You have to bear with me today. So here we are discussing the types of ordered list. First type attribute is one, then it will be a decimal sequence. Then if you have the Roman I capital, then it will have
Hmm?
uppercase Roman numerals, and then if you have small case I, it will have lowercase Roman numerals like this. If you use alphabet A, it means that if you have used type capital A, it means that it will use uppercase alphabetic sequence, and if you use lowercase, it will use lowercase alphabetical sequence. Here is an example of this code. Internet hopping. Now we will directly go to order list. Here is the order list. On home link, home page is the first listed item, and then comes linking page, and then another listed order list is the developer uses capital I. It means that these links list will have the numbering sequence of Roman numbers in uppercase. Okay, and here in this another nested list, capital A is used. So this listed item will have the alphabetical uppercase sequence added to the listed item in this order list, and then when we use smaller I, it means that these links will have lowercase alphabetic order. So let's come to the output of it. Now you can see when we have give type attribute one, it means it will be using decimal sequence. When Roman I, it will be using uppercase Roman sequence, and when alphabetic capital will use alphabetic listing to it. And then we have used smaller alphabet, it will use lowercase alphabet to add sequence to our list. Then comes back to the main ordered list and give decimal numbering sequence. So basically, this is all about the ordered and unordered list. Let's just code something so that we can understand it properly. Okay, so first we go to view and open or layout straight left so that we will have two bodies or windows to write our code side by side. First I will add HTML here, Control S, save it as HTML list code and save it to desktop, save, and then new spec language and HTML. Sorry, we will call this one and add a new file as CSS. Okay, CSS here and save it as HTML list as same as the HTML file. First we will add the HTML tag, and then we will add head tag, and inside head tag we will add title of our web page, which will be HTML listing. Okay, and then we will link our CSS here to add some styling here, reference of is HTML lis e dot css em html here html is not this is not file name, and we will add alt. If we want to add alt, we will add alt or rel relation. What kind of relation it will have with all html document? It is a slash here, then forward slash and closing the link tag. Now come to the body tag, so that we will add some content to show in our browser. First we will add h1 tag and add my favorite fruits. So we will go to unordered list, and let's just see if it will have my type. No, it will not. Okay, so the first item we will add will be fruit apple, and then orange. Wait, orange. Just add the color. Okay, then here we will have that listing item tag here, here, and then we will. Okay, then we will close our unordered list. Is already closed here. So here is our first coding line. To centralize the whole item, I will add today center tag. And let's just see if it works. Okay, Control S. Let's just see how it should work. Now you can see that the whole thing is added here, but our tag bullets are not shown in front of them. So basically what happened here is that the center tag is, let's just say, is an obsolete tag, is used very rarely. So our browser is not doing well with the center tag. Let's just refresh our page. Now you can see everything is in order and is shown to the left corner of our page. Let's just add some styling to the body. Body line center. Let's just okay, align box dash align is. So basically this is a tool we use for Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, and let's just say our Chrome browser supports it. Now it does not support this. So we will add align dash align dash item the process. Okay, let's just see how this will affect now browser does not. So we will add the simple previous property text align center. So all the text is aligned to the center of our page. So these are the basically links. We can add inline CSS also here so that you can have, there is another thing that you can have. So we will add align items property. We can use align alignment align cells so that allows the default alignment along the axis, align content. So let's just see what content will do. Let's just say we will align this content to the center, control S.
Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more HTML, CSS, and front end web development based tutorials. Thank you.